Hey yo, what up? It's Elite Don, and today I'll be showing you my modern for 3 camos. I did not create these camos. These are camos that I just downloaded from YouTube and Google and put all together. Anyways, I'll be doing this on the TeknoGods client, so if you have Steam, I do not recommend that you do this because you might get banned for modifying your textures and whatnot. So yeah, let's get started. The first thing we want to do is make a copy of our game, just because this will be our backup, and if you don't like a camo or a camo breaks your game or you can't even launch it, you can just revert back to the backup that you made and don't have to reinstall Modern Warfare 3 or verify your game through Steam and go through all that crappy bullshit. Now that you have made a backup of your game, we're going to go ahead and take a look at the folder, which will have all the stuff we're going to mess with today. Let's start off with custom camos and skin pack. Anyways, all these camos have a preview. If not, they have a notepad with a YouTube link or some type of link that has a preview to the camo. And originally I didn't have previews because I know how all the camos look like since I picked them myself. But since you guys won't know, I went ahead and took screenshots of the camos and supplied links so you could go ahead and see which one you like so you can install it and which ones you don't like so you don't have to install it and just skip it or delete it. Let's head over to Black Ops 2 camos. I'll be installing all 4 of these camos, but before I install them and show you how to install them, you will need WinZip or WinRAR to do this. If you already have one of those 2 programs, then let's get started. You want to go to your game folder, go into the main folder and look for IWO6, right click, open with WinRAR. You want to minimize the other folder, double click on images, go into the camo that you want and just drag the file in, hit OK, and do that to the rest of the camos that you like. For example, I'll drag this here, hit OK, go to this camo, drag that here, hit OK, and it's pretty simple as long as they go in the IWO6 folder. Alright, now we're going to the blood hex. So we just installed skins and camos. We're still not done yet. We're gonna about to install some gloves and some sleeve camos or skins. And we're gonna be using the where is it at? Where is it at? Somewhere around here. Should be in here. We're gonna be using the team customizer first. You can see previews as you can see right here. I won't be installing the gloves because I don't like the gloves that this program installs. They're like cut off and you can see the fingers. Kind of like the other ones from where's it at? Where's it at? The Delta Skeleton ones. I like those a lot better. So in order to encounter that issue, I'll just install the sleeves, not the gloves, but it's really up to you. But that's just my preference or my choice, preference, choice, whatever. So let's get started. We're gonna right click, run as administrator. It's gonna ask you to choose the location. Mine is on desktop, so you just select right. We have to select main. So we're gonna go Call of Duty main. Okay. Like I said, I'm just gonna do the close. You can do the close if you want. And I'm gonna hit install, and it should start installing fairly quick. Alright, once it's done, it's gonna say it's done, blah blah blah. Shout out to the people who made it. Anyways, hit OK. Exit out. And by the way, you can install. You can't uninstall. That doesn't work. So that's why I said make a backup. Anyways, I'm gonna go ahead and install the other ones, and we're gonna have to manually do this. I'm gonna have to open IWO5, which we do not have open. So we're gonna go to IWO5, right click, WinRAR, minimize images, select both, drag, OK. Then we go to IWO6. We're gonna wait until everything's done installing though. Right, I'm gonna minimize. I do a 6, I do a 6. Okay, close it up. So we're gonna open this once again. Minimize, select, file, select, drag, hit OK. Alright, after it's done, that's pretty much it for the camos. So we're gonna go back and we'll go to the next folder. We're gonna skip three folders, but I will have a link to a video where you can see the camos. I did not install these because these are skins and they will replace the skin for every gun, and I don't like them. I used to have a few installed, but it gets played out. I get bored. But I will have a link to preview the camos just in case you want to install them. And they are skins once again. They will probably go in IW06 and IW10 if I'm sure. But yeah, we'll skip that and we're gonna go to the mods. Now, easy background changer. It changes the background on your main menu when it says play, servers, etc. And loading screen mod will basically load the picture. It will modify the pictures of the loading screen. It basically just adds more contrast so it looks more colorful. And Modern Warfare 3 trainer, you can add a clan tag to your name and your own call sign. And Modern Warfare 3 music, you can customize the music in your menu when you first start up the game. And I'll be showing you how to do all those programs right now. So let's get started. Extract the file out of the raw file. Pretty simple. And to get this working, you have to move your game folder into this location, which will be Program Files, Steam, Steam Apps, Common, and place your game folder in here. If you do not do that, the easy background changer will not work. Now just right click and run it as administrator. Browse the background that you want. I'll select this. You can set it as first or second background. I think when you're in the main menu, that's the first background, and when you select the settings or servers, that's your second background. I will set them to both and hit OK. Should install fairly quick, less than a minute. Once it's done, you'll get this, hit OK, and just exit out the program. Now we're going to go back and we're going to extract Modern Warfare 3 music because it requires it to be in that same location as well. And we're going to open it up, hit Modern Warfare 3 exe, run it as an administrator. Or you have to drag the file in there actually. Alright, I finally found my track. Anyways, just drag the file into the application. It will ask you to log into a itsmods account. If you do not have an account for itsmods, just go to itsmods.com, register, and use that same information to log into this application. Once you log in, it should start doing its thing fairly quick. Hit OK once it's done. Exit out your music. Go back, and now we're going to go into the loading screen mod. I already have that extracted, but I'm pretty sure you don't, so go ahead and extract it. You're going to right click on loading screen mod, run it as administrator. You're going to want to find the location. It's probably already there, but just in case, do it all over again. Alright, once you do that all over again, just hit start installation. And it should start creating a backup. Don't worry, that won't work. Plus we already created a backup of the game, so there's no point. Alright, once it's done, it's going to say it has finished installing. Hit OK. Exit out the program. We're going to hit back. And to get the Modern Warfare 3 trainer running, we actually launch the game. So we're going to extract the Modern Warfare 3 trainer right now actually. I'm going to click on it, and we're going to right click, run as administrator. It's going to ask you to run the game. It's going to be waiting for Modern Warfare 3. So just launch Modern Warfare 3. Alright, as you got right here, the music in the background, that's not the original Modern Warfare 3 one. So that's where the Modern Warfare 3 music changer came in, and also the background is not the original. Now since I set it to set as both, you can't really tell the difference if I had two backgrounds. And as for the camos, you can't really tell the difference either, except for one of these ghost camos. There it is. That's the only camo that shows the preview, sadly. But yeah, let's start using the trainer right now. Anyways, this allows you to choose the two hidden camos from Call of Duty Elite. Just select what class you want on and put select camos, and you can also hit unlock elite titles and call signs. It won't unlock all of them, it'll just make it where you can edit it. If you hit open, you could go ahead and select which one you want, then you type in whatever you want, put the color codes in and whatnot. And over here to our right, you can set your clan tag and just hit select. And the overall finished thing looks like this pretty much. What clan tag and the call sign and whatnot. Anyways, let's go in and hop into one of our servers right quick. Alright, I'm going to Delta.
Search and destroy.
And as you can see, the gold camo is not gold, it's chrome. You see a lot of reflection into it and whatnot. Looks fairly nice, I like it a lot more. Let's change the class right quick now. The ghost one. Let's see. As you can see, that's the ghost camo from Black Ops 2. Looks nice as well. And yeah, not much to say about it. Let's change to another class. I'm going to show you this one. Barrels, barrels, where are you, barrels? There you are. And you can see this is another Black Ops 2 camo. I like it a lot on the AK. It blends in. Anyways, let's show you another camo before this match ends. Come on, come on, let's see what else can we show you. We'll show you, let's see, show you the snake camo. It should also have a Black Ops 2 camo. It should be a Black Ops 2 snake camo pretty much. As you can see, it looks very nice. Somewhat.
We lost that round, but it's not over yet. Ready up. Search and destroy.
Let's just leave here and exit out. Since you already saw the previews to the camos, I'm pretty sure there's no need to show you all of them. But yeah, that's pretty much it. Like if you like the video, dislike it if you dislike it. And I'll be posting more tutorials, PC gameplay and whatnot, so subscribe for more, and I'll see you in my next tutorial. Bye.